Hello, Paisano. So today we're going to order out at Mr. Hero's. So I definitely have, pulled out one of my coupons for $6.25 for any of these sandwiches right up here. So check them out. Now I picked out the chicken Philly. Now, oh yeah, now it's been a long time since I've been at Mr. Hero's. Now I've been checking out other places though, like Burger King. Like I've been checking out the McDonald's. Like I even been checking out KFC. But you know what? Now we're about ready to explore Mr. Hero's. Mr. Hero's. Well, got about $6.25. $6.25. Your witnesses right there. One, two, three, four, five, 6, 25 cents. $6.25. Here we go. Oh wait. Yeah, that one got attached to my keychain.
Yeah, I got it.
Oh, thanks. But here, let's make sure it's all there, though. Oh boy, clumsy me though. But you know what? I'm hungry. Hungry Bear has definitely got to get his feast on. Yeah. Shaggy roll for Doobie for Scooby. Yep. Yeah, I figured though. Since I dropped something, yeah, I knew I'd drop a little more, and I even dropped this coupon. Whoops. I better grab. Thank you so much. So here it is though. So now the Mr. Hero burger. Yep, Mr. Hero's. Hey, want a drink? Oh wow, check it out. I didn't know they had snackies here. Check this out. Brownies. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Have a good day. Oh, my bad. Yep. Hey, thanks, dude. Thank you. Mr. Hero's. Mr. Hero's, yep. It happens, but ooh, oh boy. Scooby Dooby Doo. Wow, this is the best sandwich ever. I give that a 10 out of 10. Definitely 10 out of 10. Oh. Oh yeah, that's pretty damn good. Hubba, 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 hubba. Hubba, 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 hubba.
Number level 27 on 310. About to hit 28 tonight. Yeah, I'm ready to beat you over your head. What's up, pal? Where did you live yesterday?
Damn, that is the best damn burger I've ever had. Are you liking it? Uh-huh. Is it good? Oh, yeah, real good. The best burger ever. Oh yeah, those coupons are very useful. If you get something like that in mail, if you have a certain other flavor, a sandwich, or something new that you want to try out at Mr. Hero's, just, whatever hits your mind, though, just give it a shot, though. All you can do is take a bite out of it. If you don't like it, then spit it out or whatever. But you know what? I won't spit this sandwich out because this is an absolute 10 out of 10. Mr. Hero's had done it again. So yeah, they got all different kinds of subs though. They got the sandwiches though. They even got the new burrito wraps, whatever the hell they are though. So give it a shot though. So anyway, subscribe to me, Stone to the Bone at Slim Smoky 5474. Sometimes you'll have to watch me eat when I'm getting the munchies. When I'm so stoned. I'm very high as a kite. But you know what? Yeah, you're wondering, why do I get high at work? But I only get high for medical reasons, not recreational reasons. And Mike Twine, you better step off of other people's rights, because that's their rights that you're bearing all over against, and that's our medicine you're messing with, and that's my world's life work that you're messing with too. Alright, so anyway, look me up, Stone to the Bone at Slim Smoky 5474. Subscribe to me. Alright, I'm back from Michigan, and I'm living well. Peace.
Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I